Good afternoon. It's Sunday, August 16. Just thought I'd show you the status of the Kickstarter bolts, wedge bolts, cotter pins. This is the one that came out of the bike, and it measures out at 0.374. That's the original worn one from the bike. This is the first stock one that I ordered, and it measures 0.373. That's a stock replacement. This is the oversized one that I ordered, and it measures 0.373 just like the stock one. So I think that's a mistake. This is the one that came out of Kevin's used parts bin. He said, try this. It measures 0.373. So it's a stock pin. This is the one I made out of a bolt, and it measures 0.383, and it fits well. So 0.383 is oversized. So I'm going to have to send this to the vendor and ask them to please measure what their oversize measures out at, and see if they have a oversize that measures out somewhere near 0.383. Now, some of the commenters sent me part numbers for other oversize, and I will also look into them. But at this point in time, we still got ourselves a dangling Kickstarter over here. But in the meantime, back at the ranch, the peg has been straightened and reinstalled, so that looks good. So that's where we are on this bike, and I'll give you an update of what we did at Kevin's shop this morning in the next video.